Do you know that the color of your wine can tell you a lot about its flavor and how it's made? Whether you're a fan of red, white, or rosé, each type has its own unique story. Let's start with red wine. Red wines are made from dark-colored grape varieties such as Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Syrah. The key to red wine's color and flavor lies in the fermentation and maceration process. After harvesting, the grapes are crushed, and the juice, along with the skins, seeds, and stems, collectively known as the palmates, is left to ferment together. This skin contact, or maceration, can last from a few days to several weeks. During fermentation, the temperature is usually maintained between 21 to 29 degrees Celsius to extract maximum color, tannins, and flavor. The extended contact with the skins, seeds, and stems adds tannins, which give the wine its astringency and complexity. The result? A wine that is often full-bodied, with complex flavors that can range from fruity notes like cherry and blackberry to more savory hints of tobacco, leather, and even earthy undertones. Now, let's move on to white wine. White wines are typically made from green or yellowish grapes, such as Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling. The main difference here is that the grape skins are removed before fermentation. After crushing the grapes, the juice is separated from the pomace. This prevents the wine from taking on any color from the skins, resulting in a clear, light-colored wine. White wines are fermented at cooler temperatures, usually between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, to preserve their fresh, fruity aromas. The fermentation can last anywhere from a few weeks to several months. The flavors of white wine are typically lighter and more refreshing, with notes of apple, pear, citrus, and sometimes floral or herbal undertones. White wines are often fermented in stainless steel tanks to maintain their crispness and purity of flavor. Lastly, let's talk about rosé wine. Rosé is made from red grapes, but what sets it apart is the short maceration period. The grape skins are left in contact with the juice for only a few hours to a few days, just enough to impart a pink hue. After this brief period, the skins are removed, and fermentation continues much like white wine. This limited skin contact gives rosé its delicate color and a balanced mix of characteristics from both red and white wines. Rosé wines can be dry or sweet, depending on the winemaker's style. They often boast a fresh and fruity profile, with flavors like strawberries, raspberries, and citrus. This makes rosé incredibly versatile and perfect for a wide range of dishes. To sum it up, red wines are rich and complex, with a bold flavor profile. They pair wonderfully with hearty dishes like steak or roasted vegetables. White wines are light and refreshing, ideal for seafood, salads, and lighter fare. Rosé wines offer the best of both worlds, with their fruity, versatile nature that can complement a variety of foods from charcuterie to spicy dishes. Did you know that the tannins in red wine come from the grape skins, seeds, and stems? Or that white wines are often fermented in stainless steel tanks to maintain their crispness? And here's a fun fact about rosé. It's one of the oldest types of wine, dating back to ancient Greece. So, what's your go-to wine? Are you a fan of the bold reds, the crisp whites, or the refreshing rosés? Share your favorite wine and pairing in the comments below.